In this video, we'll look at how to add third-party access. Third-party preparers include individuals working for accounting firms and independent tax professionals. As a third-party preparer, you must register your own username. Do not create separate usernames for each client. Instead, add each client's tax accounts to your username. If you're unable to register, call customer service at 608-261-5338. After logging in, select Manage My Profile, then the More tab, then Request Access to a third-party account. You will be asked if you are requesting a wage attachment authorization. Answer accordingly and select Next. Now select Add Client. You will need to provide the ID type, ID number, and name of your client. For security purposes, you will need to select the registered tax account you're requesting access to and enter a recently filed amount. If your client has not yet filed a return with the department for the registered account, check No Prior Filing History. You can request access to multiple accounts at once by selecting Add Client again and entering the required information for each account. After submitting the request, the tax accounts will be immediately available on your home screen. If you're an owner or employee of more than one business, you may also use this process to add your other business accounts under a single username. For more information, visit Using My Tax Account on the login page.